Alright YouTube, hey, this is Mr. Kyle94 here with the Airsoft review. I have my M5 Navy tac spec. It came with a silencer that goes there. We have to unscrew that. You have to unscrew this here, and then you just put it on. And it came with a red dot sight, which I do not have on right now because it's too dark and the red light just gets in my eye. And yes, it's on the right way, so yeah. And it came with two mags. It came with this mag here, dual mag. It's loaded, as you can see. And it came with this mag. I've been using this mag lately because it seems to be better, it holds more. I don't like this one because it's spring. I don't like that. And it came with a speed loader. Which I currently do not have anything in. So yeah. That's that. So let's start at the top. We got the charge handle right there. You pull it back and it locks into there. And then you just hit it down and it goes that way. Next we have the mag release. The mag, where it goes in, where the BBs go in. Pretty cool. There's the mag release right here. See, like you can see, that's what it does when you release the mag. That little lever just moves. We got, I don't know what that is. If anybody knows what that is, tell me please. Leave a comment. There's the fire selector. Right now I'm in safe. Now I'm in semi, and then full. So that's semi. This is full. So yeah. Pistol grip, pretty nice, comfortable. The iron sights, pretty good. Try and get a good view. But yeah, that's the iron sights. A retractable stock with a rubber butt plate. It is not fully extended. This is actually fully closed. So yeah. Then on this side, if you look right there, you'll see it says hop. That is the hop up. And this handguard right here, the grip, that's where the battery is, up in there. There's the switch for the battery, where you can like take off the cover so you can get to the battery. I do not have a mag full right now, so I'm not gonna do a firing test. Yeah, thanks for watching. This is my M5 Navy tac spec review. Thanks for watching.